hop on your board like a pro. Do you ever wonder how to show off your electric skateboard in the coolest way? Follow Veymax and learn one trick today. Today, he will show you how to get on your Veymax electric skateboards like an expert.
So today I wanted to go over 2 easy tricks that make you look a little bit more as an advanced rider rather than a beginner rider. Let's get right into it. So instead of just carrying your board and just placing it down, stepping on it, and then just going, there's other cool ways to make you look a little bit more advanced. So this is called the ghost ride. So since I am goofy stance, my right foot is up front, my left foot is back here, okay? So I'm gonna kick push, I'm gonna swing my left leg over, and I'm gonna hop back on, okay? So let's do it again. So I'm gonna kick push, swing this leg over, and then once that lands, I'm gonna kick my right foot back over and jump right back on the board. Okay, so let's do it. Swing over, back. Do it again, swing. Once you keep practicing it, it'll have more finesse to it. So kick push, swing over, back and hop on the board. And that's the ghost ride. Now instead of just placing your board down, hopping on it and going, there's another really fun way to get started. So whatever hand you're more comfortable with, we're gonna drag the board and start out from there. With my right hand, I'm gonna drag the board by its wheels and then hop on it. So once it's about to fall, you jump right on it. And this looks way better. You can also do a couple spins before you throw it down. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.